everyone, Storm11 here. Today we'll be taking a look into your Halloween 2019 forecast. Now, we're going to note a couple of things. First off, what's going to be talked about, what's going to be going on right now. One thing is there is going to be a quick winter storm across parts of Wyoming and Colorado. As you can see here, you got high pressure really building in to the south here, so that snow kind of sticks around for most of the day on Monday there. Then becomes a clipper system as it moves to the plains and upper Midwest. Also want to note that there is going to be extreme fire danger across parts of California tomorrow and even into Tuesday. And there's going to be, I've seen on social media that there is evacuations going on right now. So if you're in California, like Central and Southern California, be on guard for a potential a dangerous wildfire event. So yeah, now let's going to get to the Halloween forecast here. So let's go ahead and move into Halloween morning here. So what we got going on here, we got a Arctic high across parts of the west around the Rockies, and it's going to be pretty as far south as Texas. Very chilly temperatures over there. What we do have is actually a low over the Ohio River Valley. And what that's going to do is create perhaps a winter storm across parts of the plains up into the upper Midwest. We're going to see about that. Seems like this ball here is backing off a little bit. I mean, models do tend to overdo snowfall totals later on. So, yeah. Well, whenever it's far out. That's what I meant to say there. So, what we also got going on here is scattered showers and thunderstorms from Louisiana all the way up into around West Virginia. And it's just scattered showers up into the northeast there. And it's also going to be pretty windy conditions here, especially behind the front. You can see down in Texas looks to be pretty windy. We go to later today on Thursday. Here it is at 3 o'clock here. We got some rain going on across parts of Kentucky, starting to be on the increase. We also do have thunderstorms on the increase in Alabama. And your low pressure systems now currently going to be near Detroit at this time. We go later in the day. There is a severe weather threat for these areas in here, like West Virginia, Ohio, Kentucky, Tennessee, North Carolina, Virginia, Georgia, and Alabama. We're going to keep an eye on that. That is possible for severe weather. And here we go to Halloween night, where trick-or-treaters go. You can see that low pressure system continues with scattered showers and thunderstorms out to the east coast. To the west, however, it's going to be mostly dry. Maybe around Montana could see some flurries. But you can see high pressure really sticks around there, so you got very chilly temperatures at that point. If we look into the temperatures, however, looks to be very cold. We just saw 9 degrees there already, so very cold for trick-or-treaters out there. For across the Rockies, Central Plains, and even the West. You can see around Houston there, probably about 50 degrees, so it's going to get chilly. Where the front has not been passed, it's going to be 70s, but there's also going to be showers and thunderstorms along with that. So, we're also going to know, it will be windy. As you can tell here, you got winds gusts that got to near 50 miles per hour for most areas here. So, yeah, if we go into Friday morning here, the winds really start to increase as that low pressure system really ramps up into the northeast there. The GFS, however, let's go and go back here. We'll go into Thursday morning here. You got your low pressure. At this time, you can't see it, but if you can tell about the wind bars, it's over Kentucky right now. And it seems like the winter storm could be a little bit more intense here. See, it moves up to the northeast. There goes your severe weather chances. It's going to be a little bit more aggressive at this point. This is the aggressive model right now. And you can see even the winter storm itself could be a little bit more intense. And even some flurries showing up in Indiana and Ohio. So there must be a very big temperature gradient. Yes, there is. So hold on. Well, let's go back to earlier in the day on Thursday. So this is 9 a.m. You got temperatures in the 60s here. Oh boy. Actually, let's go over here. Negatives. Wow. That's pretty chilly this time of year. And we kind of go into later day, so your low starts to deepen. Very warm in Florida. You can see here comes your temperature crash overnight. In about hours, it just gets very chilly. Here's Friday morning. It's 31 degrees. So there may be the potential of some black ice across areas like Kentucky and Tennessee, even like around Indiana and Ohio. Just in where you go be below freezing, where you had all that rain during the day, it's not going to dry off. It's not going to really dry off. So there could be some slippery conditions for those areas. But however, with the winter storm, you know what? We'll take a look at those in just a moment. But you can see, this is, let's go to the night. Pretty warm across California. The European ball is a little bit aggressive with the Arctic highs. So, yeah. Let's going to go into the snowfall totals. So let's go to the next 3 days, 5 days. See, your highest amounts is around Iowa City with over a foot. See over Wisconsin, about 10 inches, and up into Michigan, you can see some pretty good amounts there. It even extends back into Kansas. What's the European model suggestion? Very similar track, but the snowfall totals are a little bit less. Keep in mind, there is going to be a clipper system going by there, so take this about an inch or two. We'll subtract an inch or two of snow. This will be your snowfall total from the winter storm. So at this point, looks to be about 3 to 6 inches of snow from the Euro, while the GFS could be about 5 to 8 inches of snow for some areas there. So here we go to the overall forecast here. So it is kind of a little bit of a mess. I messed up a few times on here, so I do apologize if it is going to be a little bit messy, especially over here. So we'll start off with the east here. So you can see the light green up in the northeast. I mean scattered showers, and it's going to be windy up there. Darker green is showers and storms. It will also be windy. That red area there, like I was talking about, potential for severe weather. It's also going to be windy there as well. That purple right up there is the winter storm potential. Now, I did not highlight back here because that happens the day before Halloween. Now, this is Halloween day, so that's why you got the winter storm area up here to the Great Lakes. Pretty good weather for Florida. I think they can have no problems for this Halloween this year. Cold with flurries to the south, all in here in blue. It's going to be chilly in these areas here. We probably should put the cold a little bit further south into pretty much all of Colorado. Again, like I said, it's a little bit messy. In the west coast looks to be some good weather and could be perhaps chilly. It could be chilly, but it seems like your best spots for to have a good Halloween for weather-wise is the west coast and parts of the southeast, the far southeast. So yeah, guys, that's all I got for you guys today. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I will have a November 2019 forecast sometime this week here. I do have a good idea of what's going to happen. I even see the Euro suggestion for for November. So that should be interesting there. So if y'all guys like this video, hit that like button. If you really do like my channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell notification in there for missing an upload. If y'all guys got any questions about this, you can put in the comment section down below. I'll answer you guys' questions. I'll see you guys in the next video.